to work, not just in Tripura, but even outside Tripura. Whether it is helping our students or migrant workers in Guwahati, whether it was in Hyderabad, whether it was in Bangalore, Chennai, Kerala, Maharashtra, we have been helping. In Tripura itself, we have helped over 9,000 families. This is big numbers, and we have not taken donation from any political parties or any religious organizations. These are self-funded. And when we started with our own money. जब तक लोग पैसा अपने पॉकेट से निकालकर लोगों को नहीं देंगे, वो सोशल मीडिया में if you keep on giving somebody 2 kilos of rice and taking a photograph and then doing a photo of what comes out of it? And let me tell you one more thing. Lot of people go and give 5 kilos of rice, dal, with the picture of the leader or a flag of the political party. Those people, उनको तो लेना पड़ेगा because उनको दाल चावल चाहिए, लेकिन they also have self-respect क्योंकि they don't have rice and food ration right now. They are taking it. But to do this and then to put it up in Facebook and Instagram and say we have helped 5 people, what are we doing? This is not the time for us to be Congress, BJP, CPM, AGP, any party. This is the time for us to help each other irrespective of our political and religious affiliation. So, yes, my organization has done it and we have done a very good job, and now we have also announced a further fund where whoever is stranded outside Tripura and wants to come back, we will also contribute in cash to help them to come back. Of course, they will have to contribute something on their own, but we are doing it from our own pockets.
Is that the case, or there is a miscommunication here too? What do you feel personally?
No, the Chief Minister did call for an all-party meet. I am personally speaking to the Chief Minister. So the government is listening. But the problem is, listening is one part of the job. Implementation of what we are saying, implementation of what the Chief Minister himself is telling us on Twitter is not happening to the optimum on the ground. I'll give you an example, the helplines. I call up the helplines, it took me 5 days to get through to the helpline. So the helplines are not responsive. People get desperate. A lot of people who are outside have lost their jobs. These are not blue-collared workers. ये लोग रेस्टोरेंट में काम करते हैं, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स है, मॉल्स में सिक्योरिटी का काम करते हैं. They want to come back, उनको वापस आना है. जब वो फोन हेल्पलाइन में लगाते हैं और फोन का रिस्पांस नहीं होता, they get panicky. लैंडलॉर्ड्स बोलते कि वापस चले जाओ, क्योंकि नॉर्थ ईस्ट से सरकार आपको ला रही है. अब हेमंत बिस्व शर्मा आपको ला रहा है, कॉनराड सांगमा ला रहा है, त्रिपुरा नहीं ला रहा है, पेमा खांडू ला रहा है. तो नाउ उनको लगता है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट ला रहा है. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में 8 डिफरेंट स्टेट्स हैं. त्रिपुरा हैज टू टेक स्टेप्स.